Want to skyrocket your Facebook page, generate quality leads, and expand your audience in 2026? Let's face it, Facebook ads can be a maze for beginners. The platform seems overwhelming, and it's easy to waste money if you don't know the exact steps. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you a simple, effective method to run your first Facebook ad successfully. No more confusion, just results. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, the channel that turns everyday users into smart digital marketers. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to boost your posts, videos, and other content with Facebook ads the right way. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or marketer, this guide will help you grow your Facebook presence and reach targeted audiences more effectively. Step 1. Open your Facebook page. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and navigate to your Facebook page. This is where your marketing journey begins. Step 2. Select the post or video you want to promote. Next, find the post or video that you want to turn into an ad. Tap on the three-dot icon, the menu, next to your content. Step 3. Tap Boost Post. Now, tap on Boost Post. This is Facebook's way of turning your organic content into a paid advertisement. Boosting a post is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get started with Facebook ads. Step 4. Select your target country. Choose the country or countries where you want your ad to be shown. Be specific about where your target audience lives for better results. Once selected, press Next to continue. Before we dive in, subscribe to PreyoPhonie for exclusive social media growth tips, marketing strategies, and expert Facebook ads tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a game-changing video. Now let's start boosting and growing. Step-by-step Facebook ads guide. Step 5. Choose your goal. Now it's time to set your goal. This is where you decide what you want your ad to accomplish. Get more messages. If you want to drive conversations with your audience. Get more video views. If you're promoting a video and want more eyeballs on it. Get more leads. If you want people to sign up for a newsletter, email, or offer. Get more calls. If your goal is to get potential customers to call your business. Select the goal that best aligns with your business or marketing objective. Step 6. Set your budget and duration. Now, decide how much you're willing to spend and how long you want the ad to run. You can set either a daily budget or a total budget. This step is crucial. Starting small and testing can save you money while you figure out what works. You'll have complete control over how much you want to invest and the duration of the campaign. Step 7. Boost Post. Once you've set your budget and duration, press Boost Post, then tap Next to review everything before confirming. Step 8. Payment and Launch. Now enter your payment details, and once you're satisfied with the settings, press Pay and Boost. And just like that, your Facebook ad is live and ready to start working for you. Extra tips for beginners. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your results. Start small. Don't throw your entire budget into the first ad. Test and scale gradually. Target specific audiences. Be clear about the demographics, interests, and locations of your ideal customers. Test different goals. Run ads with different objectives, messages, video views, leads, to find out which one works best for your brand. Use eye-catching posts. Make sure your images, videos, or captions are engaging and appealing to your audience. The more attractive, the more effective your ad will be. Now you know exactly how to run your first Facebook ad in 2026, boost posts, promote videos, and start growing your audience in no time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends or fellow marketers. Share this with anyone who needs help with Facebook ads, businesses, content creators, or marketers. Subscribe to PreyoPhonie for more pro-level social media tips, Facebook ads tutorials, and marketing strategies. Because here, we don't just show you ads, we show you how to grow smart, reach more people, and maximize your impact. See you in the next powerful guide.